अपने म्यूजिक से सबको मंत्रमुग्ध कर देने वाले ए आर रहमान अपने करियर में पहली दफ़ा करने जा रहे हैं अपने देश हिंदुस्तान में एक रोड टूर, जिसमें वो परफॉर्म करेंगे अपनी टीम के साथ कोलकाता, विशाखापट्टनम, अहमदाबाद और जयपुर में इस अक्टूबर के महीने में। और इसी अनाउंसमेंट के दौरान उन्होंने की मुलाकात अपने फैंस के साथ।
Rahman sir, I was going to the restroom. This boy came and snatched me. He was willing to bribe me. He was willing to pay me money to get close to you, all right? Okay? Bhai, one favorite number of Rahman that always stays in your heart, soul and body.
So, before singing the song, I would like to thank you, sir. मुझे 3 महीनों से गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं मिल रही थी. I sang this song and I got her in 3 seconds. எல்லா புகழும் ரஹ்மான் சார்க்கே. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் நேரம் இருந்தால் தான் என்ன, ஏன் அவசரம், என்ன அவசரம், நில்லு பொண்ணு, இன்னும் பேசக்கூட தொடங்கலையே நெஞ்சம், இன்னும் நிறைய இல்லை, என்னை விட்டு போகாதே, என்னை விட்டு போகாதே, பேசக்கூட நுழையலையே, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் நிறையலை, இந்த மலை போல நீ வந்த மலை போல நான் இருப்பேன்.
So, in short, one second, in short, this song, you got a girl in 3 seconds.
Yeah, exactly.
What does this song mean, brother, for our people here? What does it mean?
Please stay for more time and please be mine.
Wonderful, Rahman sir. I'm learning this song from you, okay? Thanks so much. God bless you. One of Rahman's biggest fans. I'd like to call Swapnil. Swapnil, where are you, my friend? Come on, Swapnil. Okay? Vada, vada, vada. Let's hear it for Kaushik. Okay, Kaushik? Okay, we'll do that as well, okay? Kaushik. Okay, now moving on from Kaushik to Swapnil, okay? One Rahman song which has played a very significant part in your life, which you're going to tell your grandchildren about, which you're going to tell your neighbor's wife about, you're going to tell everyone.
I think it's very difficult to pinpoint one song. Sir, I'm a non-Tamilian, and I started listening to Tamil songs through Rahman sir, and through his cassettes and CDs, I started learning how to read and write Tamil. So that's one achievement. I can read and write Tamil without understanding a word. I can read a newspaper, but I don't understand. That's only because of Rahman sir's music through all the CDs and cassettes. So I can proudly tell to my grandchildren that you can learn any language. Music has no language. Sir has proved it. So.
You know, those people have, come on, couple of lines.
If you listen to my heartbeat right now, you can compose music with that, I think.
Oh, wow.
It's like, I don't know what I'm going to sing. तू ही रे, तेरे बिना मैं कैसे जीऊं, आजा रे, यूं ही तड़पाना तू मुझको, जान रे, इन सांसों में बस जा तू, चांद रे, आजा दिल की ज़मीन पे तू. That was, I just tried, I was breathless. I was playing Shankar Madhavan for a moment, I was breathless.
वही रहमान ने माना कि इन फैंस की बदौलत ही वो आज तक चलते जा रहे हैं।
I think when you play for a concert, you get 10,000 of them or 40,000 of them, and then you're so overwhelmed. You're lucky sometimes. And I think that's what keeps me going, and that's the love which makes me do more and more music.
और रहमान इश्क नामक इस कॉन्सर्ट के बारे में भी उन्होंने बताया।
It's going to be an experience. It's going to be an experience of music, great production, and joy, fun, and love.
वहीं ये उनके 20 साल के करियर में पहला रोड टूर होगा।
I think I always wanted to go to the cities where we never think of. Like we always think of Delhi, Bombay, Mumbai and Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, but never think about Vizag or Ahmedabad. So the whole idea was to go to those loving fans who always support me and give that excitement which we uncompromisingly give.
लेकिन इसकी याद 20 साल बाद ही रहमान को क्यों आई?
I think everything has a time, I guess. And this is incredible. I mean, it's so good that it's happening now. And you never know in life, the journey goes. 3 years back, I never knew what my future would be, whether I would be doing music or leaving music and retiring or things like that. So I'm glad that we're doing this now.
पर यूएस टूर के दौरान उन्होंने हिंदी में ही नहीं तमिल में भी गीत गाए थे, जिसका कारण उन्होंने बताया।
I always say "Ella Pugalam Iranake" because that drives me, and the reason for that is normally when India is divided by languages, but unified by a spirit, and I wanted to bring that spirit in the US when I performed in New York. It was for Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, and so for the first few songs we saw people kind of feeling uncomfortable, but then after that they understood the whole spirit, I guess. And the next time when we went, they were prepared for that. SPB Saab came and he was singing in Hindi, and then he would switch to Tamil, he switched to Telugu. In the US, it's not. It's a mixed audience, and it was an instinctive idea which came and then it worked out.
लेकिन एक कंसर्ट और स्टूडियो में रहमान साहब को निजी तौर पर परफॉर्म करने में क्या फर्क महसूस होता है?
The concert before going on stage, it's very, very different. But once you're on stage, and once you see that, you feel the energy and love, that gives you incredible strength, and in fact that drives me through the whole concert. We used to do 4.5 hour concerts. Now we just cut down and made it all very precise, so we don't waste people's time. We just do 2.5 hours.
वहीं अपने पहले कंसर्ट से जुड़ी यादें भी रहमान ने शेयर की।
First one which we rehearsed for a couple of months, and we had the first concert. That nervousness, and it's not about the music, it's about everything coming together. It's a whole teamwork thing. The fireworks and the mic and the speakers and the lights and singing in tune and all that stuff, all was coming together. Once it does, it's magic.
लेकिन इतने हिट सॉन्ग्स दे चुके रहमान को क्या कभी फेलियर से डर लगता है?
When failure comes due to non-preparation or lack of work, lack of proper, then you feel guilty. But when failure comes due to destiny, when you intend something very good, then you have to leave it on destiny. It was meant to be like that. But it's rare. And when you really work hard, and there is definitely blessing. And we have so much of love from people.
वहीं इन्हें एक चीज की कमी इस देश में महसूस होती है।
As a country of 1.3 billion odd people, we still don't have a proper orchestra. Like if we want to do film music or we want to perform for national games or anything, we don't have our own orchestra with our own people in it. And this requires a bit of Western training. And the Western training is to excel in harmony and counterpoints and all this stuff. So they can play our own music in future, like what we do in films. Films have classical tumris and classical tunes which has orchestration and which has harmony and everything. So to develop that, we need that kind of training, which is Western classical training. And so that was the motive for the whole KM Music Conservatory, the initiation of that. And we also teach Hindustani and we teach Sufi music, many other things.
लेकिन इतने दिग्गजों के साथ हॉलीवुड में एसोसिएट हो चुके रहमान क्या कभी उनके साथ देश में भी परफॉर्म करेंगे?
That's like all the stars meeting together. I think it was like the song Miracle Worker. It was a miracle that all of us came together, and the music has been received really well, and the royalty statements show that. And hopefully, I think if we are all free, I think we'd probably do more of that.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।